Wait, you wrote it already?
Yeah, wait.
Y'all heard that? I wasn't the only one that heard that. Right?
No, it was the thing counting down.
Oh.
You coming to see it? Hey, coming to flex?
Okay. What's wrong with this joint?
I should charge you, bro. I should charge you. I don't know what's up with your shit. There you go.
Okay.
This is one of those.
Okay,
Charges, nigga?
beautiful. So, question, guys, do you have this on your paper?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me see, Michael. Let me see. No, I'm kidding. If you say yes, then it's yes.
Well, I did it the other way.
How did you have the B's up here?
Uh-huh.
Okay, but you should still have this answer.
I just got to up.
Do you still have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, ladies, how did you decide what to cross? How did you know? What words in the problem told you what to cross?
So when we said the B is dominant, I leave the white for is little b. That's what it's called. It's recessive.
Okay, but how did you know to cross homos? How did you know little b, little b? What words told you that?
Recessive.
Yeah. For this part here, because how did you know to cross these? What words tell
What's
you
wrong
this
with that pencil?
in the text? Okay. Okay. Homozygous recessive, right? Good. And then how did you know to cross this here? Heterozygous. That is awesome. Yes, yes, and yes. So guys, when you are reading your question, remember to be on the lookout for those key words that are telling you what you're doing. And those key words were homozygous recessive. Homo means
Same.
same. Thank you. Homozygous recessive here. So you know that they have to be the same, and if they're recessive, you go find the recessive genotype, which is the lowercase b, as they did. And then heterozygous means different. So capital B, lowercase b, right? You cross them, and you should have exactly what this is. So let's answer these questions. Can I have somebody come up and answer question number 2? Question number 2 says, what are the genotypes of the offspring? Guys, when I say the word genotypes, what am I thinking about? What should I be looking at?
Genetics. Meaning dominant or recessive traits.
Right.
You
We're
say
looking.
phenotype is when you're talking about the physical attributes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So, like Mikhail said, I'm looking at these letters. These are the genotypes. So they're what tell me the trait. So for number 2, what are my genotypes of my offspring? Genotypes of the offspring. So we have 4 boxes. 1, 2.
Big B, little b, big B, little b, or B, 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 B.
So we have big B, little b, big B, little b, or B, little b, little b, little b, little b. How do we say that in academic vocabulary?
Dominant, recessive, recessive.
Almost. What else? Heterozygous.
Well, I should have known that, bro. Joe, why you had this on there? Why did you have this on there? It was under the...
And
It's probably
what about
keeping
this?
it
So
out,
yes,
you know, it's
this
like-
is heterozygous and this is
Still reading
heterozygous.
it.
What are these? Homozygous. Yes. Where did we get 2 out of 4? Who can explain that question to Adriana? Where did I get 2 out of 4?
There's only 4 sets of in the Punnett square. So there's only 4 sets. That means there's only 4 offspring. So out of the 4 offspring, how many of those are going to be brown or white? And if there's 2 out of 4,
Oh,
that's 50%.
okay, yeah.
Right. Good. My denominator indicates exactly what Mikhail said, the total amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
I don't like that word.
The
Denominator? I hate that word.
The numerator indicates the amount that I have of what I want, right? Guys, I like how comfortable you're appearing, thank you, with, we feel comfortable creating our own Punnett squares and getting the data from our papers. We are going to learn specifically about dominance. complete dominance versus incomplete dominance. So, guys, we know that dominance is indicated by what in our genotype?
Capital B.
Capitals, right? So you can have something called incomplete dominance. You get the mixing. You mix it up, right? If are red and white and you mix them, you get pink, right? So imagine that we have a heterozygous genotype, right? Just like we do here. But instead of it being a red flower, you get a mix of the dominant traits. What this means is that both traits are dominant. And when both traits are dominant, they have to kind of like share.
So,
yeah.
Basically what you're saying.
Exactly. So here, because you see the W is capitalized, and we've said that capital letters indicate dominance, right?
So it's 25, 25, 50.
Yes. 50% of these would be an incomplete dominance, meaning that they're sharing. There are two dominant things that are like, I want power. No, I want power. All right, fine. We'll just share power, right?
It don't usually go like that.
What about this? Because we have the same thing here where we have two dominants. You remember when Mikhail was like, that's not how that normally works, right? So this is a case where the compromise was not working, and they were like, nah, I'm going to do my thing, and you can do your thing. And then
That's
you
what
end up...
happens with Dalmatians, right? This is what happens with Dalmatians.
Okay. You end up with both people, or both alleles, both traits, wanting to be expressed.
Question.
And so, yeah.
You know that skin disease, right, where people...
Vitiligo?
Yeah, like vitiligo. Does this have anything to do with vitiligo?
I'll do some research on that. That's a really good question.
Because
That's a really great
if a
question.
chicken will come out black and white, then a person will come out basically black and white, or brown and white.
Right. That is a phenomenal question. Thank you for relating that back to real life. The heterozygous genotype, dominant, is like the black wants to show, the white wants to show, now you have a speckled chicken. Do you guys understand the difference between incomplete dominance and complete and co-dominance? Can someone summarize it for me?
I really don't.
Okay. Who can help?
It's black and white. The co-dominance, they instead of it being gray, it'll just turn out black and white. You know what I'm saying? At
Right.
the same time, which is what happens with Dalmatians. But what was the other one? What is the other one? The other name?
Incomplete dominance.
Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. But what was that? You know, I don't even know.
That was a phenomenal example.
You get a gray chicken with
Yeah.
white and black spots. Like, what would you have to do?
A gray chicken with white. Whoa.
A gray chicken, right, with white and black spots.
That's impossible, bro.
How's that
That
impossible?
would be
bro?
genetically.
You never been on a chicken farm, bro?
Bro, there's no gray
There's white,
chickens.
there's white and
They
black.
dirty.
chickens.
They might be dirty, bro, but they're not gray.
Bro, no, that's when they tan. That's when they dirty when they tan. They look tan, bro. That white and gray, it looks
Bro.
tan.
Okay.
Bro, there's
Bro,
no.
pull us some chickens. Pull us some chickens. Bro.
We
You
can
got
do
the
that
whole
right now.
computer.
No,
Pull us some chickens.
We can do that right
Pull us
now.
some chickens.
We are not pulling up
You
chicken.
can do it right now.
Here we go.
All right, so let me ask you a question, right, bro? In any of these
They
pictures,
want
just
white chicken.
let
they
me
want
know when you
brown
see a
chicken.
black.
Oh,
Like, see,
look.
there's a black and white spotted chicken right here.
Co-dominant chicken, guys.
Right?
This is a
All
right, bro, hold on.
co-dominant chicken.
Hold on. Let me know when you see a gray chicken, bro, with black and white spots.
Co-dominant chicken.
I'm gonna go slow.
I did
Oh,
type in gray
My
chicken.
fault, bro. My fault. I didn't even do none of that. You see a gray chicken?
Co-dominant chicken. Do you see two colored feathers?
I think it was black.
This is
Which one?
white.
So-
You can't.
This is white with black spots, bro.
So the
So
two
we-
colored feathers
Yeah,
means
you
that
beat that nigga.
white
He
is
had on,
dominant
bro.
as well
Yeah,
as
nigga put a hat on that nigga, bro. Chill.
why the
But-
color?
You don't see nothing like
Black.
that, bro.
Because if
These don't
only
exist.
one was dominant,
That's a turkey,
then
I think.
only one would show. Remember when
They
we
front,
did
that's
this,
a chicken.
right, with the
That's a
fur
turkey.
for the do now?
Turkey.
When it was like this,
Oh,
only the
shit.
brown
Yeah.
showed, right? That's it.
Bro, that
That's
look
a
like
chicken,
But
bro.
here you have
Bro, that look like a
black
turkey, bro.
and
That's a
white
chicken.
feathers. That means
Listen.
there's two dominant
Look on
traits
this one,
being
bro.
expressed. You have the black feather trait.
Yeah,
And
white, black,
the
and gray.
white
Look at the
feather
gray right
trait.
there.
That's not
That's
gray,
gray,
bro.
bro.
No, it's
Yo,
not.
that's gray. It's gray. in
No,
this
it's
one
not,
spot
bro.
right here. This is gray. That's gray.
No, it's
That's
not,
gray.
bro. I'm
Like
looking
that
right
one
at
section
closer,
in
bro.
front of one
You gotta
section
look.
called gray.
Yo.
This is co-dominant.
Bro,
This is co-dominant.
You're in a
So-
science class.